Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes?
Hey guys, welcome to Nicole's Beauty. I'm back, guys. So I'm gonna be doing this crochet butterfly locks, guys. So I usually have one bead, but this time I'm gonna be using color 27. The link to this hair will be in the description box below. I definitely recommend. It's so cute. It's a very go-to style, so easy to do, and guys, I just love it. It's not too heavy. You don't have to use the whole 6-7 packs that that they send you. You could just use 6 or 5 or 4. I mean, you could just do whatever to your liking, but I like a head full of hair, so I use every single butterfly lock. But as you can see, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair. What I do is I braid it halfway, then I connect the 2 braids, and then I'll just braid it all the way back. If you don't understand what I'm saying, there's so many videos on this, so it's so easy to do, to follow, and this is pretty much a go-to braid pattern because you don't have to worry about like any type of technique or anything. You just braid it, you know, halfway back, and then you connect your braids and then braid them all the way back, and then you crochet your hang times. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna just continue with this. I'll be back whenever I'm finished braiding my whole head. I'm back and I just finished my hair, so I'm just gonna crochet my hang time. So now you're just gonna see me oil my hair. I get every single piece, guys. I get my edges, the back, my braids, and I just massage it in. So now I'm just gonna show you the hair. Look at it, it's so beautiful. It's this distressed butterfly locks. It's a beautiful color, especially for the summer. It's 12 inches. They're tightly, neatly done, and I just love it, guys. So you will not have a problem with it unraveling. So I'm just gonna show you right here how to get your loop and get prepared to do your crochet install. So I just showed you how to do it, you know. But you're just gonna reverse the twist and open it up, and then you should see a loop open up for you to be able to pull the butterfly lock through. So they do send you a crochet needle, and I think that comes with every crochet hair you get. So that's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? In case you lose it, you have an extra one. But guys, yes, they come with a crochet needle. Right here I'm just showing you how I do the back. I just fill for wherever spaces need to be filled in, and voila, there you go, the back is finished. Now I gotta do the front, finish up the front, and as you can see, I just left 2 braids in the front for me to do, and I'm on my last bag of hair. Woohoo! So I'm just gonna show you how I just squeeze it on through, and I pull through the hair, and I lay it flat. So you could do it different type of ways, the way you want it. For me, I be pulling my hair up into a ponytail, especially with me working out. So I don't really focus on how it looks on the way that I, you know, put the hair through my braids. But as you see right here, guys, I'm just pulling it through. So it's pretty tight when you get to the front, but it will go through. You just gotta think about that, how tight you braid your hair. I braid my hair pretty tight, but if you're gonna do this and the butterfly locks are pretty thick, you want to braid a little looser. That's what I should have done, because it would have made it easier for the hair to go through. But guys, I loved it. It was tight. I didn't have to worry about my hair coming loose. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that through, and whatever open spots that I see, I'll just fill it in with the leftover hair I had, just so I can get a full look at the front compared to the back. The back is more spaced out, just because the hair will lay in between the spacing of your hair. the gaps, you know, so that's why it's so spaced out in the back. But the front will be full, guys. I use that one bag of hair on these 2 braids just so I can get that full look in case I just want to wear my hair down, you know. But yeah, so continue watching. Now that I'm finishing up my last butterfly lock, guys, y'all about to see the finished results. And here it goes, guys. Look at it. I just love it. It fits me so well against my beautiful skin, and I just got so many compliments when I was out at the store. People loved it so much that I had to tell them where I got it from. So guys, if you're looking for something different, you don't want to always go to that 1B color, you can go to 27. The nails fit you so well. I just love it. Like I said, this braid pattern works so well with this hair. It's tightly pulled together. You don't have to worry about it unraveling, and it doesn't smell. The length is true to length, and you don't have to worry about anything, guys. I just love it. It's so simple and easy to do, to install, and this is just my go-to crochet braids, guys, or crochet locks. Is this something that you can easily go to, and it, instead of sitting in the chair for what, 8 hours, guys, this took me only 3 hours start to finish, and I just love it. So I hope that I covered everything for you. If you have any questions, please you know, comment down below what else you want to see. But yeah, guys, this pretty much is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see y'all on my next video. Bye.
You make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
Barney put another bow on me. Okay. Right over here.
Look at this girl. Trying to be like her mama.
Like you.
You trying to be like me?